I believe that the name has a massive impact. My story is that we had a company, I spent a lot of time trying to name it. I gave it the name eMode back in 1999. This is a horrible name for so many reasons. One, it's got an E in it, and then E's went out of favor. Number two, it ends with a D, so that people can't know if you said emote or emode or any, no one can understand you orally. And so when we were spending $2 million a month in advertising, including radio and television, people would be like, what did they say? Emode, where were they? So they could never come to our website. So there was no pull through. And we finally changed the name to Tickle. And my board tried to fire me. They didn't try to fire me. They were having conversations about letting me go because we were tripling or quadrupling every year. And they were like, finally, we have a hit. We all, as investors, have a big hit on our hands, and this guy's going to blow it up. He's clearly lost his mind. He's changing the name to Tickle. He's going to destroy all of our effort over the last 4 years. And then 6 months later, we were on the cover of Business 2.0 magazine as the best, the example of how you change your company name and what is a good company name change. So we were proven right, but the value of, we had received an offer for $45 million. We turned it down. And then within 3 or 4 months, we had an offer for $110 million with the name Tickle. And our growth rate was up by 30% within a couple weeks of changing the name. And the press we were getting went up by about 5x because the journalists wanted to talk about this cool thing named Tickle. And so I had front row seats to how important a name change can be and how impactful and how much value is created by having the right name in your company.